Today you will learn what is cube root and how we find out cube root of any rational number. Look at the board. Symbol of cube root is put here 3. Here is any rational number x. It means cube root of x. You have to put 3 in between this sign. It means if we write it in exponential form, we write it x raised to power 1 by 3. What is the meaning of 1 by 3? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means total numbers are 3 and you have to take 1. It means you have to take 1 out of each 3. So when we find cube root of any number, here are two methods. First is the prime factorization method. Example, if you find cube root of in between 3375, here are only two methods. First is prime factorization method. In prime factorization method, we make prime factors of 3375. It is divisible by 5 because one's place digit is 5. 5 6 are 30. 3 remainder, 3 7s are 3 and 7 37. And 5 7s are 35, 2 remainder, 2 and 5 25, 5 5s are. Again it is divisible by 5. 5 1s are 1 remainder, 1 and 7 17, 5 3s are 15, 2 remainder, 2 and 5 25, 5 5s are. It is divisible by 5. 135 is new dividend now. 5 2s are 10, 3 remainder, 3 and 5 35, 5 7s are 35. Now 27 is divisible by 3, 3 9s are and 3 3s are. It is divisible by 3 1s are. How we write here? 3375 is equal to 5 3 times 5. And 3 is also 3 times. Make triplet of equal digits. 1 triplet of 5, 1 triplet of 3. When we write here cube root of 3375, we will take 1 out of 3. 3 numbers 5 5 5, we will take only one time 5, and in this triplet we take only 3. So cube root of 3375 is 15. Answer is 15. You can check your answer correct or incorrect. You can find cube of 15. 15 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15. Product of 15 3 times will be 3375. 15 15s are 225. When we multiply 225 with 15, 15 5s are 75. 7, 15 2s are 30, 30 and 7, 37, 3, 15 2s are 30, 30 and 3. It same. It means our answer is correct. Because we write x raised to power 3 cube root is x raised to power 3 whole power 1 by 3. We use here exponent rule. These powers will be multiplied. The answer is itself. It means when cube and cube root together, the answer will be itself. We use here law of exponent. Which law of exponent? A raised to power m whole power n equal to a raised to power mn. Second example. Suppose you have to find out cube root of minus 3375. First of all, you have to write cube root of minus 3375 minus cube root of 3375. Because cube root of minus x equal to minus cube root of x. Now you have to make the prime factors of positive 3375, not negative. Here you not write here negative number. Only you have to make prime factors of only positive number. In last you will write this the same. You will write this the same. Last step will be changed equal to 15. Last step you will write cube root of minus 3375 equal to minus 15. Here one step more only. In last step you will write here negative and you will write here negative sign. Answer is minus 15. Now example number 3. Find the square root of 0.008. It is the question of decimal. How will you find out? You will make periods here. It is the decimal part 008 and it is the whole part. It is only you have to make periods of triplet now. It is only one period. In question, the digit of decimal part only 1 because it is only one period. You know very well 2 cube is 8 and cube root of 8 will be 2. So cube root of 0.008 equal to 0 decimal only 2. Another example. Suppose you have to find out the cube root of 0.0000001. First of all, you have to make the periods. In decimal part, first period, second period. There will be 2 digits in question after decimal. 000, answer will be 0, 0 decimal. decimal part 0. 1 period 0 0 0, answer will be 1 0 only. It is only 0 0 1. Cube root of 1 is 1, because 1 cube is 1. So answer is 0.01. If 2 periods in decimal part, the answer will be of 2 digits in quotient. If 3 periods, there will be 3 digits of decimal part in the answer. Thank you.